G'day, Peter here from Window Cleaning World. I'm here to show a new pole tip adapter that we have made to fit on any Gardiner pole. This is our incredibly popular CLX8 pole with the ergonomic pole tip, which has this compound angle, which is really cool if you're a wagtailer, because when you spin the pole tip stays in one position, but you're able to stand back from the glass a little bit or stand close to the glass if it's high up. Now, some people would just like a straight pole tip, or they would also like a pole tip where the tool positively locks onto the pole tip. In particular, Moerman users have a bit of a problem, because Moerman, in their wisdom, have departed from the standard Morse taper that's been an industry standard for decades. So their tools are slightly larger. So when you slide that onto this pole tip, for instance, it jams on okay, it's secure, but after a while, this piece of plastic at the bottom gets a bit glazed, and it's not gripping near the ribs where it should grip. You know, if I show the wagtail pole tip here, it grips here. The lunch truck's just arrived. So, what have we done? We have created this pole tip adapter. It doesn't come with these two little blue buttons. It comes just on its own with two holes in it. The little wishbone that we've inserted comes with every single Moerman pole tip when you purchase one. So you just slip the wishbones in here, and then you're ready for your Moerman pole tips. So if I slide this in now, it's engineering plastic. It's very strong and precise. And now I can just simply slip this very popular ergo locking pole cone on there, the Unger one. So it will perfectly fit the Unger tools, but particularly too for wagtail it's useful, because it will just snap into place and the little locking button pops out of the hole at the bottom of your wagtail handle, and it's definitely positively locked on there. It's not going to come out. So now you can safely lean over that balcony handrail and not worry that you're going to drop your tool several floors down and possibly hit someone on the head. The other advantage is now you've got an Acme pole tip if you're wanting to use a gutter scoop or a cobweb broom or any other tool that uses the Acme thread. So switching over to a Moerman pole tip is quite easy. You can simply slide that all the way down to the second hole, and then it will snap into place there, and now you can lock your Moerman tool on, no problems. And that snaps on into place there. The other tool that's quite cool from Moerman is the new Dr Angle. The new Dr Angle will also go onto our adapter. And don't forget, this can go on any of the Gardiner poles, up to 7 stories, whatever your Gardiner pole is, it will fit. So now, the new Dr Angle, it snaps into place here with the button. It's quite cool because now you can do big, deep frames. If you set your squeegee to 0 degrees here, now you can just finish off on a very deep frame. It goes backwards. You can select any angle you want. It's quite large, and that's now very easily added to your Gardiner pole. So the item is the Window Cleaning World Gardiner pole tip adapter for $20. It will open up a whole new world of possibilities for your Gardiner poles. Thanks.